following message is at the request of Angel to kill himself. Before the video starts, this has valid EAS tones and playing this in public will cause panic and severe consequences. This will not be held responsible for the misuse of this situation. We now conclude this message with the starting of the scenario. Please stand by as we conclude this message and start the video.
Good morning Lucella, I'm Daniel. And today we got some important news to share. Recently there has been an infection virus near the science lab in Lucella. The infection virus is now in the area of Lucella. All residents must seek shelter immediately. Do not approach the people who have been infected. That's all I have for. This is Daniel, signing off.
This message is transmitted at the request of the Lucella Police Department. Earlier, there has recently been an infection virus at the area of Lucella. Anyone that had been infected caused them to act like a zombie and use melee weapons to attack people that they see across their path. All residents must seek shelter immediately. If you have been infected by the virus, commit suicide immediately. Stay tuned for more updates on this situation. This message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. At around 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the infection virus has infected 500 people in the area of Lucella. And it is confirmed that the virus will spread in the two following areas, which is Canada and Germany. All residents in these areas, evacuate immediately. Do not leave your shelter yet. Stay tuned for more updates on this dangerous situation. This message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. At around 9:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the infection virus has now infected 5,000 people in Lucella. And the infected creatures are now breaking into people's home, killing them. It is advised to block all your entrances to your home, and cover all your windows. If any infected creature breaks in your home, fight if necessary. If not, use any firearm to kill the infected creatures. Stay tuned for more updates on this situation. This message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. At around 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the infection virus has now infected 6,000 people in Lucella. And the infected creatures are still on the loose in Lucella. All residents must stay indoors and fight back for your life. Stay in your shelter until an all-clear message has been given. It will all be over soon. Stay tuned for more updates on this situation. This message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. We just received an update on the infection virus that is in the area of Lucella. There had been a confirmed report stating that the infection virus is from a Roblox game called Piggy. Now we understand why the infection virus is in Lucella. Scientists and military will try our best to defeat the infected creatures and cure the area of Lucella. Stay tuned for more updates on this situation. All clear. I repeat, all clear. This message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The military has finally defeated the infected creatures and scientists cured the whole area of Lucella. People who had been infected had been cured back to normal. And the science lab that had the infection virus was contained. The area of Lucella is now normal again. It is now safe to go outside. Your government thanks you for your cooperation during this emergency. Normal programming may now resume. This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All the EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS operating handbook for a national level emergency. Important details will follow. We have interrupted our regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. Station has interrupted our regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public and assigned areas. This is WNBC. We will continue to serve the Lucella area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Lucella area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. This message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Please pay close attention to this alert as this pertains to an ongoing global crisis. Our planet is coming to an end. Attempts to take down the infected creatures and contain the infection virus had failed miserably. The whole military is either dead or infected. The infection virus kept getting stronger every time it infected someone. Now it's spreading across the whole entire and all countries and states. There is nothing we can do to stop this situation. Scientists had failed to contain the virus and now they are infected. The infection virus has also infected millions in the United States. This is a life-threatening and dangerous situation. There is no reason to stay calm, go into panic mode, and prepare for the end. All residents of the United States, gather your friends and family, and prepare for the final minutes together. This is Tom, the Emergency Alert System guy signing off with our final broadcast of the Emergency Alert System after our final playing of the National Anthem. God bless you, and God bless America.